In primetime news this evening, British-based tour entities collapse spell trouble for Jamaica's tourism industry. Promises galore. PNP tries to wow Jamaicans with plans for the country, should it form the next government. And proposed police records office still not ready. Scores of persons left inconvenienced.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, American pork producers are pleading with the Jamaican authorities to grant greater access to local markets. Now, some of these bans are based on suspected contaminations, but the U.S. argues that that is outdated. I have all the details in the business day.
Pork. Trenton. All right, from Herman we go to Jordan for that. This Sports Heads. What's happening?
Well, Archie, our world under-20 sprint double champion, Brianna Williams, she began her quest to clear her name as her anti-doping disciplinary hearing began today in Kingston. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what stood out for you at the People's National Party's annual conference?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.
Primetime News headlines brought to you